Morning, day 10 of LEJOG. 80 miles today from Kinross to Dalwhinnie, which is in the Highlands, so Scottish Highlands today. And then we drop back down into Inverness tomorrow. But we're in Inverness tonight. So thanks for all the donations. I see we're over 50% now. Cheers for that. If you haven't donated, please consider it. It's for St Anne's Hospice. And yeah, off we go again.
Get on.
Day 10, LEJOG. Kinross up to Dalwhinnie, 4,000 feet of climbing, 4,400, 80 miles. Look at the scenery though, this is the morning, and it's all the national cycle route all the way there. I don't think I come off it, which is just beautiful, and it's roads that are pretty much like that. Lots of ups and downs obviously, but we'll see what happens. And from about 50 miles Pitlochry to the Dromocta Pass, there's around about 20 miles of gradual climbing. So that's going to be a big challenge today. Legs are feeling okay, but we'll see how we get on. Yeah, I'm just feeling normal. I feel the same as I've felt for the past, I don't know, 6 or 7 days now. Legs are tired when I wake up. As soon as they get going, they're okay. End of yesterday, riding into Kinross, up a few lumpy bits, felt great. I was out of the saddle and everything, and going fast down the descent. So I know it's not a race, but when you can, you do. So yeah, so we'll see what happens. Day 10 of LEJOG. Don't know why I keep on saying that, you know it is by now. Been watching the video. If you've got to this point in the video, you probably know it's LEJOG. 15 miles in-ish, and now up to Dromocta summit, Dromocta Pass. Lovely day for it, so I don't think the weather's going to be an issue for me. It's just going to be a gradual climb on a hopefully a nice path, he says. But I'll report back in. Just stopped at Pitlochry a few miles back for some dinner with wife and kids, Claire and the kids. That was brilliant, just the boost that I needed. Nice ham and cheese butty before coming to this. Got loads of water with me, loads of liquid, loads of more food. Should be good to go. Can feel the end coming now, so get over to Dalwhinnie, which is 19 miles I think. Yeah, and then it'll be a lift home to Inverness tonight, and then back here tomorrow, well in Dalwhinnie, then I'll cycle into Inverness. Seeing how it goes, I might push on and try and make that last day, which is 100 miles at the moment, a bit shorter, so it's a bit easier on the legs, but we'll see how it goes, see how our legs feel. But at the moment, feeling pretty good, just tapping away pretty good. So hopefully get some good pictures up there. We'll see what happens. That's what we're here for, right? That's why we cycle.